Today we're going to discuss something which is bothering for a lot of parents, that is recurrent cough. Now there are coughs that come and go. There are coughs that come only in particular seasons, and there are coughs that come almost every day. Now a cough, like I have mentioned before in earlier videos, is a protective reflex coming from your body. So if the body is trying to tell us something, that means food or phlegm or infection is going down the wrong track. So if it is going down the wrong track, we need to really see what is going. So is it because of allergy? That needs to be ruled out. Are you going into a particular environment? Nowadays you are seeing everywhere that the air quality index has become so bad. Now the problem is the human body is almost 30,000 years old. Whereas the pollution, especially in India, has rocketed.